Information systems are everywhere in organizations. They support everything from ordering supplies to tracking sales to managing employees. To understand how these systems work, we need to look at the environment in which they operate. This environment includes everything inside and outside the organization that can impact how information systems are designed and used. Think of an organization like a living organism. It has a structure, a culture, and goals. It also exists within a larger ecosystem with competitors, customers, and government regulations. All of these factors influence the organization's information systems. For example, a company with a hierarchical structure might have a centralized information system, while a company with a flatter structure might have a more decentralized system. Internal factors that affect information systems include the organization's structure, culture, and leadership. The organization's structure dictates how information flows and who has access to it. A company with a strong top-down culture might have a more controlled information system, while a company with a more collaborative culture might have a more open system. Leadership plays a crucial role in setting the tone for how information is valued and used within the organization. External factors can be just as important as internal ones. These include things like market trends, technological advancements, and regulatory policies. For instance, the rise of social media has led many organizations to adopt new information systems for marketing and customer engagement. Changes in laws regarding data privacy can also have a major impact on how organizations collect, store, and use information. Within the organizational environment, there are many different people who interact with information systems. These individuals are called stakeholders, and they can be found at all levels of the organization. Some key stakeholders include managers, employees, customers, suppliers, and regulators. Each stakeholder group has its own set of needs and expectations when it comes to information systems. Managers rely on these systems to make informed decisions about the organization's future. Employees use them to perform their daily tasks and collaborate with colleagues. Customers interact with information systems when they make purchases, track orders, or seek support. Suppliers use these systems to manage inventory, process payments, and communicate with their clients. Regulators rely on information systems to ensure that organizations are complying with relevant laws and regulations. To understand how all of these elements come together, it's helpful to think about the framework of an information system. One way to do this is through the input-process-output model. This model shows that information systems take data as input, process it, and then produce information as output. For example, a point-of-sale system at a store takes data about the items being purchased, processes the payment, and then produces a receipt. Another way to understand the framework of an information system is to look at its 5 main components: hardware, software, data, people, and processes. Hardware refers to the physical components of the system, such as computers, servers, and printers. Software refers to the programs that tell the hardware what to do. Data is the raw material that is processed by the system. People are the users of the system, and processes are the rules and procedures that govern how the system is used. Thinking about the organizational environment and the framework of information systems helps us to see how important these systems are to the success of any organization. By understanding the factors that affect information systems, organizations can make better decisions about how to design, implement, and use these systems to achieve their strategic goals.